Today we're going to begin by taking a look at how to end your day, how to do what we call your receipt manager. You'll go to Reports, Receipt Manager, put in your date range if it's not today's, put in what location you're at, and your username here. Then you'll create new session. Here's where you'll count your money. If your drawer began the day with $100, once you've counted your drawer down here and hit balance, it'll tell you if you're over or short any money. Once you're balanced, you can print your report and turn that in with your money for the end of the day. If you're over or short, you'll want to leave a note here as to why. There's also a handy calculator that you can use. You can print deposit slips from here as well. Hope this has been helpful.